Hi everyone, in this video we going to take in-depth look on Sharp SPC073 LED alarm clock dimmer. Controls: 1. Time button. 2. Alarm button. 3. R button. 4. Minute button. 5. Snooze button. 6. Battery compartment. 7. Speaker. 8. Alarm on/off switch. 9. Dimmer high/low switch. 10. PM indicator. 11. Alarm indication. Power supply. Begin by plugging in the power cord into a standard household outlet. Setting the time. Setting the alarm. Using the alarm. Slide the alarm on and off switch to the on position. On the front of the clock the alarm indication will be lit. Slide the alarm on and off switch to the off position to deactivate the alarm. The alarm indicator dot will no longer be visible. Activating the snooze function. Press the snooze button after the wake up alarm sounds will cause the alarm to stop and the alarm will sound again in 9 minutes. This will repeat each time the snooze button is pressed. Using the dimmer switch. Press the dimmer high and low switch to high position for brighter display. Press the dimmer high and low switch to low position for normal display. Care of your clock. Replace the backup battery annually, or store the clock without a battery. When not in use, a soft cloth or a paper towel may be used to clean your clock. Do not use any corrosive cleanser or chemical solutions on the clock. Keep the clock clean and dry to avoid any problems. Installing or replacing the battery. Battery warning. Safety instructions. Troubleshootings. For more updates, subscribe to our channel.